Hi everyone, it's Christina here. Welcome back to my channel. In this week's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a red grape crumble. It turned out so amazing, and of course there are pictures on my Instagram account, which is @Christina'sCuisine. And if you're not one of my subscribers yet, don't forget to subscribe and tap the little bell, because that way you get notifications every week when we put the videos up. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourselves. Until next time, go back and So the ingredients for the crumble, the base is going to be the fruits, and we have about 600 grams of grapes. I'm going to use red grapes, and I've also added 100 grams of blueberries because it's going to enhance the taste. And then we're going to use a teaspoon cinnamon, mixed spice, and a touch of nutmeg. That's optional. Also about 2-3 tablespoons of lemon juice. I'm just going to squeeze it around, and about 2 to 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, and also half a cup of granulated sugar. So I got my fruits here. I've already washed them and laid them on my dish. So we're going to do the half a cup of sugar. Depending on how sweet your fruits are, don't use a lot of sugar. So my grapes are quite sweet. I'm not going to use all of it. I'm going to add the cornstarch, which will help with the juices. So I said about 2-3 tablespoons. My lemon juice. Which will again bring out the flavor of the fruits. Okay. And now to touch of nutmeg. Nutmeg is very strong, so don't add a lot if you do. Cinnamon. And a bit of mixed spice. So mix all this in. It's going to be the base of the crumble. And we're going to move on to the crust, which is the actual crumble. Put this aside. So I am using a 10-inch pie dish for this, which is quite a big dish, just because of the fruits that are quite big. Okay, so make sure you incorporate this nicely. Okay, and as I said, putting this aside, we're going to start working on our crumble now. So for the crumble, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of brown sugar, 115 grams of butter, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and then pinch of salt, and pinch of more cinnamon. I love a cinnamon. Yeah. And now use your hand or a pastry cutter or a fork. Incorporate the butter into the flour, and it will be like it will resemble breadcrumbs. Make sure they're all covered up nicely. And of course, la pièce de résistance has to be the brown sugar you're gonna sprinkle on top, just to give it a crunchy top. Yeah. And so the oven was preheating all this time. Now we're going to bake it just for about 30-35 minutes at 180. I am using a tray under my bake dish just in case there is any spillings. And I will see you guys when it comes out, so stay tuned. So here we go, guys. It's out of the oven. It's crunchy, it's bubbly. Ooh, ooh, ooh. It smells amazing. Because I've used grapes, I've ended up leaving it in the oven for an hour instead of half an hour. So depending on the fruit that you're going to use, keep an eye on it. And if you need to put it a bit longer, just do so. But I can't wait to try some. We're going to use some whipping cream to have it with. You can of course have it with custard or creme fraiche or double cream, but I'm sure it will taste amazing. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care of yourselves.